Hello and welcome to Wholehearted Me. We are going to have a look at this Lamy. I'm going to show you the box. I have the Remarkable Plus. I've got the Stadler Noris Digital Jumbo, which I absolutely love. I use this all the time. And I wanted to try out this one. I'm getting a collection of pens. You always need a backup pen. I'm just telling you that. But this is the Lamy box. You can see all the details. You can pause it and zoom in if you want the details, but I'll just quickly go so that you can have a look and you can see the box that it comes in. Nothing on the bottom or the top. But let's open it up. Oops. Wow, it's pretty deep. Deep in there. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Get this out. And nothing left in the box. Just tidy that up. Okay, so this is what we get. They are nibs. So can you see? You get 2 nibs, and is there one? And we'll see if there's one. That's the claw. To, work with the nib. You can see that. I'm trying to do this in reverse. Ooh. See if you can get yeah, there it is. Right. Move that out of the way. Now, this little beauty. Ooh, so smooth and shiny. Look at that. That's beautiful. Clip. It's fairly tight. Germany. All right. Oh, there she is. So she has a nib. First of all, that's what's in there. Nothing much. We'll put that there. Get rid of that. So there's these 2 nibs and this nib here. All right, let's just put that there, and the claw obviously to remove it. All right. Let me just turn on my baby girl and working on a few things. Let's just go back to my files, open a notebook, and see if it works. Let's try it out. So I like calligraphy thick when I'm doing videos, black. Let's go. Oh, that's a beauty. I like it. It's short and chunky. Feels short and chunky. This one feels a lot finer. I know it looks quite thick, but it feels finer. And I actually love the rubber on the bottom. So this one does feel thicker. So if you like that sort of a thing, I think you would like this. Apparently, you can do something with this button. And I don't know what it is yet, but once I do it, I'll make a video to show you guys. But the quick, I don't even know if this is the right saying, fox jumped. Oh, that's beautiful. That is a beautiful pen. That is interesting. The Remarkable Plus is very firm. The RM Plus. It's not here actually, it's in another room, so I won't grab it right now. Let me just get rid of all that and go, the Noris, this feels so soft. Feels very soft. Right now, it feels like pillows, and I love it. And can you see how I get a thicker stroke here than here? That's interesting. So this is the Lamy. Now I'm pressing really hard to get that level of thickness there. And this is somewhere in between. So if I was, let's just get rid of that. If I was actually putting these in order from, no, let's go. I'm going to do this again, but I'm pretty sure this is where from soft down to hard. I think I would place them in this order at the moment. But look, that's a quick opening and unboxing of the Lamy EMR. Let me give you the proper Lamy All-Star Black EMR for digital writing. Pointier nib. Okay, so I'm not sure if there's a different nib. There must be. 0.35 millimeter. That's this one. And I love it. I love it. Love it. Very nice. Very good quality. A weighty heft. Heavier than this one, I think. Feels heavier. And I should have had my third one here, but I'll probably do a video and show that another time, excuse me. So that's it. The Lamy All-Star. Yes, yes, yes. Any love on the channel would be greatly appreciated. Thanks so much.